Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Todoist on Mac step by step. Todoist is a powerful task management app that helps you organize your to-do lists, manage projects, and stay productive across all your devices. This tutorial works on both Intel Mac and Apple Silicon Mac, including M1, M2, M3, and newer. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to todoist.com/downloads. I'll also leave the link in the video description below. Once the website loads, you'll see two download options. Download for Apple Silicon Mac, download for Intel Mac. Before downloading, make sure you know which processor your Mac is using. To check, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or any M-series chip, download the Apple Silicon version. If you see Intel listed as the processor, download the Intel Mac version instead. Once you click the correct download button, the download will start automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Todoist installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Todoist app into the Applications folder. This will copy Todoist to your Mac. When it's finished, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open Applications and double-click Todoist to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When Todoist launches for the first time, it may ask for permissions like notifications or file access. Make sure to allow these so everything works properly. After that, you'll be asked to log in. You can sign in using your email, Google account, or Apple ID, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Todoist on your Mac. You're now ready to organize tasks, manage projects, and boost your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.